Today I'm going to show you how to download Chrome in Windows 7 64-bit quickly and safely using the official Google Chrome website. This is the easiest way to make sure you get the correct version without accidentally downloading from an unsafe third-party site. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open any browser on your Windows 7 computer. It does not matter if you're using Internet Explorer, Firefox, or another browser already installed on your PC. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type Chrome 64-bit download. Press enter and look through the search results carefully. You want to open the official Google Chrome website, so make sure the link is from google.com and not a random download site. This step is very important because you always want to download software from the original source whenever possible. After you open the official Chrome page, you should see the main download button. Click Download Chrome to start the process. Google usually detects your system automatically and downloads the correct 64-bit version for Windows 7 if it is available for your device. If a small download file appears, that means the installer has been saved to your computer and is ready to run. From there, you can open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Chrome will handle the setup for you, and in most cases, the process is very straightforward. Once Chrome is installed, you can launch it and sign in with your Google account if you want to sync bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history. If you are using Windows 7, it is a good idea to keep in mind that software support may vary depending on your system updates and Chrome version. So always use the official download page and follow any prompts carefully. The main thing to remember is simple. Open your browser, search for Chrome 64-bit download, choose the official Google site, and click Download Chrome. That's all there is to it. You now know how to download Chrome in Windows 7 64-bit the safe and easy way. If this guide helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.